What is going on, guys? We were back inside the HQ and we were reacting to another Squeeze video. Yes, another Squeeze video, and it's with Squeeze and N3on. N3on is an interesting character, to say the least. If you guys do not know him, he's a popular streamer. And yeah, enough talking. Let's get into it. I haven't watched this yet, so I'm pretty intrigued. I've seen a lot of videos and, you know, it's interesting. So let's just get into it.
Let's go, brother. Just
N3on was tweaking, yo. I wouldn't say he was crashing out, but he was definitely tweaking.
I'm gonna put the thing up now, sir.
Lower this so it doesn't feedback on you guys.
Okay, alright. I just want to say first, man. Hold on, shit. Wait, let me make sure everyone can see. Alright. Wait, is the car off? Okay, park? Okay. Huh. Okay.
Headphones off.
Really good, man. Shit, bro. My boy.
Low-key might be me.
Appreciate you. Alright, bet. So, damn, Squeeze, what made you get into this shit, bro?
So basically, Squeeze started driving when he was like 8 years old. He'd sit on his dad's lap, go crazy type shit. Then he would, like, you know, make little trips to AutoZone, Home Depot, the grocery store.
Started driving when he was 8 years old.
And he became like a master, I guess, around 13, 14. And he's basically been doing that ever since. Drives every day. He's a professional driver. It's what he loves to do. He's passionate about it.
Wow, that's fine.
He definitely got the wheel, yo. I'm not gonna lie. He definitely got the wheel. Anyone who steps in the car with Squeeze definitely got my respect, because let's be honest, everyone watching do not got the wheel like this man. Everyone trying to keep, everyone that tries to keep up with this man crashes. And this video is gonna prove it, okay? This video is gonna prove it. Just watch.
Bro, it's better than killing someone. It's the best feeling in the world, bro. I want to feel that way.
He doesn't do any drugs. He doesn't smoke weed. He doesn't drink alcohol. All he does is drive. This is his high.
This is your high. Yeah. And, like even off camera, you just do it for fun.
Oh, he doesn't smoke.
I mean,
this is literally his high.
Anywhere, bro,
okay. I smoke weed.
He can't drive chill. He's going 120 miles an hour. He's going through everything, white lining, squeezing, everything, bro.
Can I hear a little like squeak of his voice?
Bro, if bro's going to 7-Eleven, right quick, he's going to get a fucking bacon, egg, and cheese. This nigga's going 120.
We could just do a voice changer type shit when we have to do like a
Ooh, I bet.
Yeah, but the thing is about Squeeze, bro, it's not even so much that he's wanting, because he's not even, you know, in New York, you can't get away with this stuff. It's that he is literally, bro, the craziest driver anyone has seen, arguably ever, bro, since the beginning of time. Shit. Literally,
it's on Park, right?
I don't think I've ever seen a driver, at least online, that can go, you know, that can just move faster than him and enter 40-mile-an-hour traffic at 100 miles an hour. You know, it's just like his driving style is just super unique.
Yeah. So what did you want to drive with me? What did you want to do?
Basically, we brought the gang out, right? We were just probably gonna go on a little ride along with all the BMWs, give you a vibe of the New York car culture type shit. Very chill.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of cars though.
Okay, I'll sit in the car. If anything, we could give your camera.
Bro, I love how he said chill, like it's gonna be calm type shit, and it's not calm at all. It's like calm for Squeeze though. If you guys don't know who Squeeze is, this man is notorious for cutting up, drifting, all of the above. The man definitely got the wheel.
I will grab this kid and I'll tell him to stop the car, and I'm not.
The helmet is funny as fuck.
But you could literally drive me to my death, bro. Like,
not in a car like this, bro. First of all, it's a 2023 Lambo, bro. This shit is safe as fuck. And two, he's not gonna wild out. We were bugging out yesterday. When you're in the car, we're trying to establish a relationship.
Because I literally, I get it. Because on kick, like reckless driving, I'll literally get banned. Like, if any reckless driving,
it's interesting because this is him not bugging out. This isn't him bugging out. Apparently.
We're not trying to look risky or like real type criminals. We're just regular kids, you know.
We want to brain risk. We don't want to risk anything, and then boom! He actually edited this video. Shout out to Squeeze. I don't. The past couple of videos I've been seeing of him, he hasn't been editing them, but this man's been editing them. This video's edited. I mean,
to get in the car with you though, like and drive.
Me and you aren't doing anything wrong. And also, he's not
that shit's funny as fuck,
yo. Just shake on it, bro. You have my word. You will only go at 7 above the speed limit.
Well, 7, yeah.
Or 10 above. What's the legal?
Let's say 20 above the speed limit.
No. 10. Lock it in, bro, please. I can't. No. And I get
10. Bro, 10. How about times that by like 5?
We need you too. You know, you're the first real big influencer that would
times that by 10.
No, bro, that's why I want it to be a good experience. I'm just fucking.
That's 100.
To New York, bro.
I know, but once again, we're just gonna cruise. We're not gonna do anything crazy. So it's like you don't have anything to actually be scared of. You know, if you told us let's fuck the fuck out and go viral, then I would be scared too. But we're really just gonna go on a cruise. You know, and you see all the other BMWs do their pops and bangs and like look cool and shit.
Okay, all right, bet. Can I at least bring one of my boys in the car?
Up to him. The cameraman, you want to bring him?
No, yeah, the cameraman obviously, but then fuck,
well,
bro.
I'm gonna ride too.
There
so
we
we
go.
basically have 2 seats.
Can I check the glove box for a gun?
Check, bro. Yeah. Come on, bro.
I am tired, guys.
Yeah. Can he come?
I've been waiting all day for this fucker. He posted on his story that he was gonna post this. He posted, said he was gonna post that stuff.
Bro, he's a good
Is
guy.
that Modine?
Is he black?
He's black. No, he's Asian. But that's it.
Fucking Modine.
Bro, he's a handsome Asian. Trust me.
Wait, Chinese?
Fucking
A
yeah.
handsome Asian.
Chinese or
I'm
Indian?
not gonna give up like what type of Asian he is. He's very good
Yo,
looking.
my boy got a small dick. No, I'm kidding. Asians got small dicks.
I don't
He's
know
Asian.
about
Like mine.
I don't know about that.
Oh.
But respectfully, your man can hop in. And
Alright, please, bro. I don't want to do any crazy shit. I just want to drive with you. We gotta go? Okay,
Oh yeah, because we've been here for
Fun fact, guys, I am Asian
okay,
too.
Mo. Wait, I think Mo doesn't want to come in.
Puerto Rican or Filipino?
Mo, do you want to come in or no? No, not you.
Filipino
Other
is
Mo.
Asian.
Sorry,
Modine!
Oh, wait, which one do you want?
I don't know who Modine really is, but I've seen him with Neon, and he's basically a crash
Bro,
out.
it's fine. Just whoever's not gonna, be crazy.
Yo, they're taking forever,
I
bro.
promise
Just
you
start.
we're
Go,
good.
go,
Yeah, I'm
go,
not
No, it's
go.
not that. You wouldn't know. It's trust. Squeeze will know if we're good or not good.
I don't like doing long reaction
We're getting close to
videos.
be a time where the cops are gonna come soon.
Okay. What do we do?
Hop in the car, bring one of your boys. Let's go.
Not because I don't like filming, guys. That's because like I don't want to just sit here
Pussy, bro.
in front of the
You're a little
camera.
pussy, but
Just.
you go home, whatever. Exactly, bro.
Yo, what the hell, man? Come on, Squeeze. That's fucked up, bro. Okay, wait,
He is a
Squeeze,
little
should the
pussy.
cameraman get in the front or the back?
Neon is a little pussy, but I don't want to just sit in front of the camera and just
No,
wait
back,
for the
back.
fucking
Sit
action.
right here.
Okay, alright, let's go. Chibu, you wanna get in?
And I don't want to skip it too for you guys, so you know. I am listening to this fucking what the fuck is that? Bro, they're rolling deep. I don't want to listen to these niggas yapping, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, they're rolling deep. These niggas are rolling deep. I thought that car, that SUV, I hope that SUV isn't gonna cut up. Cause that SUV on the first SUV you guys saw, that shit's not meant to fucking swing. A G? I mean, that shit's not meant to cut up. That's a big body. But these niggas were really yapping. So it looks like they get into the action. So finally, I'm awake now. Fuck. Oh, I guarantee you that SUV is Neon's. That's like Neon's fucking boys and shit. I guarantee you. That has to be. Because that probably has security in it and whatnot. I bet you. Cat phone. Yo, those kids are fucking. You saw those kids on the left? Yo, they're deep. That's gotta be. I don't know. Hey, that's gotta be Neon's fucking people.
Chino.
No way Neon's rolling Dolo right now. With just Modine and whoever's in the fucking
Where are
back.
we going? We're going on a joyride. Yo, what the hell, dude?
He's not Chinese. He's Asian though. Watch this nigga be Filipino. That'd be funny. That'd be Filipinos. And all my Puerto Ricans out there.
Oh shit, we're going to like the.
Alright, baby boys.
What? Wait. No,
Alright,
not.
baby boys, he says. He's already
Why
fucking
flash?
scared,
Why
yo. He didn't even do anything yet. Am I getting trolled?
What the fuck?
Is this really how not Sketch, oh my god, how Neon is? They act alike, but I think Sketch is a little bit more manlier than Neon, yo.
What the fuck are you?
I'm not gonna hold you. Yep. And it's already fucking, he's already acting like a fucking, not a crash out, but 130 already? I said 100. I saw the other video, and I didn't hear him say 130. I thought he was just like actually like trying to chill a bit, but he's pushing it. 130 is pretty up there. Helicopters can go like 150. They top out at 150. This Lambo definitely goes up to that, so that says a lot. And And this man got the wheel, so clearly he can outrun helicopters. You're a fucking liar. Oh my god, you're a fucking liar.
Listen, tell me if enough is enough and we'll stop.
Okay, no, that's enough, I think.
Look, I'm not gonna lie, this highway right here is a
Hey, man.
Oh,
I'm out, let me out! Let me out! Oh my god, this squeeze, motherfucker!
This is calm type shit. Like, it's really not that bad. Because it's not crazy traffic. Like, there's room to maneuver.
Squeeze, no, squeeze!
That's crazy. Now it's getting heavy traffic. Never mind. I mean, they're going like 130. Let me scratch that. They're going 130. Oh, so, yeah. That is crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Squeeze, no.
The going 130 through heavy traffic like that is... yeah. Like, you see how it's open? They have room to maneuver right here. Like, this ain't that bad. That shit looked like it was about to be bumper to bumper. Traffic type shit. Please, dude. He's coughing. He might act, I think he's genuinely scared. Yeah, this man's definitely scared. Yo, look at Modine's face in the middle. You saw his face. He was like, is that a cop? I don't think that's a cop. That's not a cop.
Please, we're done. We're not good.
These brakes are fucking incredible. Yo, that was incredible.
How was that incredible? I'm gonna say it's fucking
It's a Lamborghini Urus, so his brakes better be immaculate. The fuck?
The car, man, we're on the highway.
You're great. You're doing fine. I know you're not actually scared.
Bro, what the fuck is that?
Great.
Squeeze, feel my heart. Squeeze, feel it. Feel it, squeeze, feel it.
Alright, so I think they're chilling now.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
You're a
Feel
man now,
Squeeze.
dude.
Yo, sus. No Diddy.
Welcome to the brotherhood.
Oh my god, bro.
Welcome to the brotherhood, he says.
Oh my god, bro.
There was really heads cutting up though.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. What the fuck was it?
You guys see how nice it is, right?
Yo, Squeeze, bro, the chat's going crazy for you. The chat's going crazy for you, bro. You lied to me, bro. You lied to me.
Yeah, you just went viral.
Bro. Yo, my reaction for the front was insane, bro.
You just went viral.
Holy fuck, bro.
I wonder if that's all these guys care about. Because Tommy G never asked them that in the interview. Like, is this what
Eddie, I had nothing to do with that, bro.
all the the fame they're getting and the attention, is that what also drives them to keep going? You know what I mean?
Squeeze fucking Benz, bro. Squeeze fucking
I'm intrigued. I don't know.
Leon, you did great, my boy. I'm very impressed.
I fuck with you, Squeeze.
Leon, you did
I'm sure that factors
like,
in.
unthinkable,
You know what
bro.
I mean?
You do the unthinkable, bro. Good fucking shit, bro. Wow. Oh my god, man.
Yo, Neon, your camera crew is beast, bro.
What the fuck was that, bro? They're saying more.
You want to go for one?
Yo, the Beamer's about to start acting up. Okay. I don't think, you think I don't know. My words are getting mumbled up now.
Squeeze! Oh my god, you have such a hard name too. Everything about you, bro. You're a hard
I don't know,
Chinese
do you
fuck.
guys
I love
think
you, bro. I love you.
Neon
I hate
has
Chinese
ever
people, but now I love
seen
you, bro. Konnichiwa, my brother.
someone fucking do a donut or anything? I don't really watch a lot of Neon shit, yo.
I don't know.
Bro, we almost crashed. Hell no. Yo! Who is that? Is that a cop? Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. That is fucking...
There's boys there?
No, it's illegal, Squeeze. No, I can't partake in this shit. Hold on. Cops. No, let me get out. Can I get out? No, wait, I hear a cop.
They just want us to go.
Go. Get out. There's a cop. What are you doing?
We're good. Everything's fine. We just gotta go.
Is it a cop?
We're good. We just basically.
No. Squeeze.
Look,
Let me out.
Neon, no.
It's an ambulance. It's a fucking ambulance. They were bugging over an ambulance. Not they. Let's say Neon
Squeeze?
was bugging over an ambulance.
Ambulance, motherfucker. Oh, hell no, Squeeze! You scared the fuck out of me, man!
Ambulance needs to get through though, you know, you gotta have respect for it. They should have a body in there.
Yo, you scared the fuck out of me.
My brother.
I bet. Alright, can I get out?
You have to
I
understand,
smoke. I don't smoke a lot, yo.
You're gonna follow the ambulance?
But
No.
I do be partaking in that shit. I don't know if I can be around a nigga that yells that much all the time.
Excuse me! You can't drive on the sidewalk? What the fuck? That's crazy. They're saying one more, please. I can't, bro.
He seems
I
cool
didn't know
though.
this was gonna happen.
I think you can handle
You
it
know?
more back to your car, no? No, it's up to you.
Yo, Modine shaking his head in the back.
I want to meet you off stream
Yeah,
too,
we
bro.
want to work with you again, bro, so. I promise you, he would have chilled out if you wanted to, but I know you were having fun.
No, but I mean, I can't.
He said they want to work with him again, but as you guys saw in the fucking beginning, they max.
Shit, man. That's
From the clips I've seen, he got rear-ended from a boy he was cutting up with. And then he proceeded to say this is why he doesn't cut up with nobody.
My man's.
That's the thing, it's like, it looks crazy. If it looks crazy on a GoPro, it's 10 times crazier in real life.
Bro,
especially like the
I'm just
near
thinking,
misses and
if
shit.
Squeeze has like, bro, if your hands do that shit, what else can you do, bro?
You might as well just drive
Yo, you gotta be gay, bro. Squeeze gotta be gay, bro.
Yeah, no Diddy.
He could be sassy. Given the right circumstances.
Yo, let's park. Where are we going?
Yo, the nigga in the back said he could be
back to the
sassy.
place? Okay, I'm gonna tell him back to the.
Squeeze, that is where you're headed, right?
Yo, they love you, bro.
Yo, that Beamer is already trying to get in front.
Go, man.
The first ever Chinese hood hero is crazy. Pretty sure there's some rappers that are Chinese in the hood, right? There's like one guy I saw No Jumper before. Alright, and they're already going.
Oh, we're good, we're good.
Yup.
Alright. Lock this in on me. When he reveals his identity, do it on my stream. Locked? Locked. Alright, bet. We locked, chat.
Throw away the key.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yo, I like this point of view. I like how he edited this video, I'm not gonna lie. W Squeeze, yo. He's putting actual time in his videos now. Good shit, bro. Especially if you guys haven't seen my videos from filming car meets and whatnot. Someone who edits a lot. I believe I edit a lot more than a lot of motherfuckers who do YouTube. And I do all my own editing. So if he edited this shit himself, good shit. Oh! Oh! He left the. He had to leave him. He had to leave him. Fuck. Gone.
What the fuck?
Look at him. Gone. Yeah, someone rear-ended him. He had to leave him. There was another guy cutting up with him.
Show me up.
We're good, that's it.
Drop me off.
We're good.
I need to get dropped off, bro. Anyway.
He's dropping you off right now. You guys are good?
Drop me off.
You guys are good.
Alright, right here. Drop me off. Alright, thank you, bro. Thank you. Bye. Alright, thank you, bro.
Real quick.
Yo. He did say whoever cuts up with him on his story, if you guys follow Squeeze, he said this is why he don't cut up with him. Cut up with nobody. And I'm pretty sure his boy said in the beginning.
Ride around the city just waiting for a sign.
That's the end of the video. I'm pretty sure his boy said in the beginning that whoever cuts up with him crashes. Or in another video I saw that. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. N3on is definitely fucking. He's a scary. He's. Oh my god. I'm trying to be nice here, y'all. I don't want to be one of those motherfuckers who get all mainstream and shit because I give people the benefit of the doubt. But he was definitely acting like a pussy. Let's be real. He got in the car with Squeeze though, so I will give him that respect. He definitely earned that. That is it for this video, guys. It's your boy O from Outside the Vlog. Until next time, peace.